Welcome. Odisha government has the SSB has released the lectureship recruitment, and this recruitment is for non-governmental aided colleges. The last date to apply is 13th of October, and it's very important to understand the list of subjects through which the vacancies have been released. Now the syllabus for each of the subject is available on the official website of ssbodisha.ac.in. You can go to individual subject. For example, I go to mathematics, I click view syllabus, and you go through the syllabus. You would identify that the syllabus is very similar to the syllabus which has been released by the CSIR. Similarly, I go to geography and click here. You would find that this syllabus has lot many topics which are there covered in the UGC NET syllabus. A few of the topics can be less, but moreover this is what is the syllabus. So if you go on to the website and go on to the UGC exam pattern, you do have the study material as well as the previous year question. So let's say you go to geography, you can understand the concepts through the video course. You can go on to study material or question which includes the past year questions for the UGC NET. And the most important point that you must understand here is that these topics, the list which is given here, you can compare it with the official syllabus that is given, and then which of the topics which are not there, you can simply ignore those. So besides those, the remaining topics can be covered and must be covered, I would say, in order to perform well for your lectureship. Now this is a very golden opportunity that has been released. So if you are looking forward for your SSB preparation, then definitely solve the past year papers from the UGC. The syllabus for biotechnology law would be uploaded shortly on the website. It's still not available, but once it's live, you can actually make a call there, right? So the list of subjects which are available for the UGC as well as the CSIR are available here. What you can do is you can identify your subject and start preparing based on that. So prepare well, and the date of the examination is not yet there, but yes, it would be pretty soon. So don't waste time, and in case you have any questions or doubts, feel free to connect back to us. Thanks for joining in. You can also post your queries in the comment section. Thank you.